Welcome to Built by Machines, the channel where we explore how state-of-the-art machinery powers the world of manufacturing. From robotics and automation to the creation of cutting-edge technology, we delve into the intricate processes that make modern life possible. In today's episode, we're taking you deep into the world of byte manufacturing. Bytes are the building blocks of all digital information, and in this episode, we'll show you the detailed process of how they are created. From raw materials to the finished microchips you use every day, let's get started. Every byte starts with raw materials, carefully selected and prepared for precision manufacturing. Silicon, the backbone of microchips, is processed from high-purity ingots. Metal elements like copper and gold are refined, while chemical compounds are carefully prepared for later stages in the production process. These raw materials form the foundation upon which digital information is built. Our machines handle the materials with unmatched precision, measuring and cutting them down to microscopic scales. This ensures the components are ready for the next stage chip fabrication. Every detail counts when you're working on the nanoscale, and that's why we rely on cutting-edge technology for flawless preparation. With the materials prepared, we move on to one of the most complex stages, chip fabrication. This process begins with lithography, where ultra-precise machines project intricate patterns onto silicon wafers, creating millions of tiny circuits. These circuits will eventually house the transistors that store and manipulate bytes. Once the patterns are applied, the wafers go through a series of chemical baths that remove unwanted material, leaving behind just the tiny circuit pathways. Next, lasers etch fine details onto the wafer's surface, further refining the design. This process happens on a microscopic scale, with every detail as small as a few nanometers, thinner than a human hair. Our highly controlled cleanroom environment ensures that no dust or contaminants interfere with this process. Even the tiniest particle can disrupt the chip's function, which is why every precaution is taken to maintain a pristine production environment. Next comes the heart of the microchip, the transistors. These are tiny electronic switches that control the flow of electricity, representing the ones and zeros that make up binary code. During this stage, machines carefully assemble and configure millions, or even billions of transistors on each wafer. Each transistor will later store bits, which together form bytes. The transistors are built in layers, each only a few atoms thick. These layers are applied using advanced techniques like ion implantation and atomic layer deposition. Once configured, the transistors allow the chip to store binary information, the ones and zeros that make up everything from text and images to complex software algorithms. A byte consists of 8 bits, and through precise electrical signals, these bits can be configured as ones or zeros. Millions of bytes are created in this process, all ready to store data or execute instructions in the devices we use every day. Once the transistors are configured, every chip goes through rigorous quality control and testing. Precision is key here. Each chip must perform perfectly, and any small error could lead to malfunctions later on. Our automated testing systems put each chip through a series of trials, measuring speed, accuracy, and performance under varying conditions. These tests replicate real-world usage scenarios. Our machines simulate temperature extremes, high-frequency operation, and power fluctuations, ensuring the chip will perform reliably no matter where or how it's used. Only after passing these tests can the chips move on to the next stage. With quality assured, the chips are ready for assembly. Here, they are integrated into various products, memory cards, CPUs, and storage devices that will power everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Our automated assembly lines work with incredible speed and precision, placing each chip exactly where it needs to be. The final step in this phase is packaging. The chips are sealed to protect them from moisture, dust, and other environmental factors. From here, they're prepared for shipment to manufacturers around the world, where they'll become the brains behind the technology that powers our daily lives. Once packaged, the products are ready for distribution. They'll be shipped to companies across the globe, where they'll be integrated into the devices we use every day: smartphones, laptops, industrial machinery, and more. The bytes created in our factories are at work in every corner of the world, powering the digital revolution. From the microchips in your phone to the processors in self-driving cars, bytes are essential to modern technology. Every device you use relies on these tiny units of data, and thanks to the precision of our manufacturing process, they're more reliable and efficient than ever. At Built by Machines, we celebrate the power of automation, precision, and collaboration between humans and machines. The Byte manufacturing process is just one example of how technology is transforming the way we work and live. From raw materials to cutting-edge microchips, every step in the process is built by machines to ensure perfection. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Byte manufacturing. Be sure to subscribe to Built by Machines for more in-depth explorations of the technology and machinery that are shaping our future. Until next time, keep building the future with us.